You want to open your surprise from Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, open it.
Okay. I can't.
What do you mean you can't?
Chill.
You need help? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a toy.
What?
What that toy is?
I don't know what it is.
It's a kite.
A what?
Kite?
A kite?
No, a kite.
A bite?
A kite, I said.
It's too hard. Okay.
Toy.
What is it?
Sorry.
What is that?
It's for me.
I can't see you. I can't see it. Well, see what else you got. What is that?
Pasta. So position. Come jar.
You gonna drawer?
Another jar. Mario.
Let me see.
You open it?
Can you open him?
I can't open him. You open him. It's Mario.
I know, you don't have Mario, right?
I have Luigi.
Yeah, you have Luigi. Here, open up the bag. Pull it. Pull. Pull him out.
Pull him. Pull him. Oh my Mario.
Now you got a new best friend. Say hi to Mario.
It's inside.
What?
It's inside.
He's inside?
Yeah.
What's inside? What is it? Paper. I don't think there's anything in there, buddy. You could put stuff in him. You could hide your cars in here. Like garbage. Anything else? Where are you going? You gotta do pee-pee?
No.
What?
I want to hide Luigi.
You wanna hide Luigi?
Yeah.
Okay. Say thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
I love you.
I love you.
And I hope to see you soon.
I hope we see you soon.
Blow Mama a kiss. Look at the camera. Okay.